Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Belkin 3-in-1 wireless charger special edition for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. So I bought this particular charger because I'm really trying to declutter my tech gear, if you will. As many of you I'm sure are aware, it's quite easy to accumulate wires, so now that I've really upgraded all my Apple devices to have wireless charging capabilities, I figured it was worth, trying to throw it all into one charger as opposed to having multiple chargers located throughout the house. So in that case, I decided to roll with this Belkin. This particular model is only exclusively available through Apple, and it's $139.99, I believe. So I'm based out of Massachusetts here in the US, so I paid about $148, including tax and all that good stuff. So in terms of appearances, so far so good. It's a pretty white box, kind of standard. Obviously some cosmetic damage from shipping. In terms of some features, it has external power supply included, 3-year warranty, which actually that's good to know because I probably should have known that beforehand. But as many of you, or maybe some of you aren't aware, is that Apple was kind of working on a solution similar to this, but they ended up pulling the plug. So I am kind of curious to see if there are any heating issues with this. I really don't know. I didn't really read up on it too much. Decided to YOLO it, if you will. Wow, can't believe I said that. Nevertheless, so I am curious to see how this does perform. But it is comforting to know that there is a 3-year warranty with this, at least through Belkin. Boost charge, 7.5 watts for wireless charging. Okay. Made for a series of Apple products. Pretty much anything that has wireless capabilities, really since 2015, including the Apple Watch, you'll be fine. Back, so here's just it kind of flexing, just telling us what's up. 3-in-1 wireless charging, supports night mode, so it's perfect for your nightstand, for those that kind of keep your devices close to your bed. And that's it. It's in French too, so wonderful. All right, cool. Oops, there's my cereal. Alrighty, let's open it up. So there's a sticker here, but it looks like these guys are good dudes. And they gave us an easy way to open it. So, let's see what's up. Let's do this so you guys can see it too. So, it's laying on its side right now, and it looks like there's really not much to it. Looks like it's here, so it looks like I just could slide this guy out. Sleep. Yeah, nothing in the box. Alright. So here we go. We have the looks like the general base station right here. So I'm just gonna pop this guy up. Yeehaw. Alright. I'm gonna put you aside for now, but I'll keep you in sight. Okay, so we got Belkin. Documentation with some instructions, it appears. They're just telling you not to be a knucklehead about it. All right, cool. Warranty information, AC adapter. Pretty sleek. It's kind of maintaining that Apple white aesthetic from, it's really more reminded me of the mid-2000s, but let's see, we'll put this guy back in here. And it looks like there's kind of another box here. Nah, it's just a filler. Alright. Okay, hey. This is perfect. So, let's get rid of this stuff. So, excuse the noise. Okay, so here is the actual charging station. Belkin right there. Nice little pad for the phone. It'll rest up. Comme ça. Apple Watch charger. And then here's the spot for the AirPods. So if I were to get those, theoretically, you can just, that's it. Then of course with the watch and along with the phone, you have a single station to really charge your devices. So again, you know, let's see, if you have a charger for the phone, you have a charger for the watch, you have a charger for the AirPods. Well, maybe you could use the watch, the phone, and the AirPods together. But either way, you're removing 2 to 3, or at least 1 to 2 chargers that you really didn't need. So here we go, and then there's the AC adapter port. Pretty cool. So I have some shrink wrap on it. Let's get rid of that. Actually, you can see that on the camera. Look at that. See these good guys? Oh, that's called thinking it through. All right. Oh, sorry for the noise. Let's try to get rid of this guy. All right, the rest of it, I can just take care of it later. But that's it, guys. So pretty much, there's really not too much to this particular charger. Again, it is a little pricey for a charger, and you are kind of paying for some brand exclusivity in terms of, you know, Belkin only selling this through Apple. But at the same time, it is going to help me remove, you know, a little bit of redundancies on my side. Again, it really comes with some documentation, AC adapter, and the dock or charging station itself. Really can't get much simpler than this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try to give this a shot for a few days and hopefully post a video about it. So hopefully you guys found this helpful if you were curious. But again, yeah, I'll try to post a review so that way you guys can see what I think. But I hope you guys take care and stay safe. See ya.